Blue Ventures Timor-Leste has celebrated 10 years of advancing sustainable, community-led marine conservation across Timor-Leste under the theme 10 Years of Collective Action to Build Resilient Coastal Communities for Sustainable Marine Conservation. Held on the 10th to 11th February 2026 in Dili, the anniversary highlighted BVTL's decade-long partnerships with coastal communities, development partners, local authorities, and government institutions. Since beginning operations in 2016, BVTL has promoted a shift from top-down conservation models towards community-driven marine management, integrating local leadership and traditional Tarabando system and community-managed data. BVTL Country Director Bernadette da Fonseca emphasized that what began as a modest marine expedition and ecotourism initiative in Atauro Island has evolved into a nationally recognized model of conservation led by empowered coastal communities. She noted tangible results, including coral reef recovery, improved fisheries, and expanded livelihood opportunities for coastal families, underscoring that marine conservation is most effective when carried out with and by communities.
Blue Ventures began its journey in Timor-Leste, supporting marine expedition and ecotourism in Atauro Island. These were modest beginnings, but carry out founding belief. Coastal communities can be the strongest stewards of the ocean when they are empowered, supported, and heard.
The commander of the FFDTL naval component, Commodore Higino Neves, praised BVTL's contribution, stating that marine protection is vital to Timor-Leste's future as an island nation. He reaffirmed the Naval's full support for BVTL's efforts in safeguarding marine ecosystems and strengthening coastal resilience. To understand how to conserve our oceans, specifically in places where our corals exist, places where seagrasses are important for us to conserve for our ecosystems to consume. To share experience and information to communities in the coastal areas for their understanding. The naval component supports 100% for the security of illegal fishing, which our government is planning to control. The anniversary program featured the opening of the photo exhibition, Oceans Through Our Eyes, cultural performances, the Ocean Talk Show on coastal resilience and sustainable fisheries, and youth engagement activities under the Young Ocean Guardians Initiative. The event was attended by diplomats and international representatives, including the Special Envoy for Climate Change and LDC President Adão Barbosa, reflecting strong international support for sustainable marine conservation in Timor-Leste.